Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are focusing on a staple of Japanese cuisine, cooking white rice in a pot. Cooking rice in a pot is a traditional method that brings out a unique texture and sweetness in the rice, different from using a rice cooker. So let's start cooking! First, measure the rice and put it into a bowl. Nowadays, rice is commonly sold in kilograms, but until the early Showa period, it was typically sold using traditional Japanese measurement like go, sho, and to. In 1959, a legal revision mandated the use of international units, leading to the widespread use of kilograms. The term go is still used today, particularly in rice cooking, where one go is defined as a level cupful using a standard rice measuring cup. One go is about 180 ml in volume or approximately 150 gram in weight, which yield roughly 350 gram of cooked rice. Since one bowl of rice is about 150 to 180 gram, it can be said that one go equals about 2 bowls of rice. Even if frozen rice can still be deliciously enjoyed, so we'll cook 2 go for today. We'll wash the rice. In the past, even after milling, some rice bran remained, so it was necessary to thoroughly wash it off before cooking. However, with advances in milling technology, only a thin layer of what is called skin bran remains, and it's sufficient to just wash this off. Therefore, it's okay to wash the rice until the water, which was initially very white, turns a slightly lighter white. Before cooking, soak the rice in water for 20 minutes. This helps heat penetrate the core of each grain, making it easier to gelatinize the starch. After 20 minutes, drain and transfer the rice to a pot with a lid. For 2 go of rice, use 400 ml of water. Check the description for recipes with different amount of rice. With the lid on, cook on high heat until it boils. Once boiling, immediately turn to low heat and cook for 8 minutes for 2 go of rice. Adjust the time based on the amount. 7 minutes for 1 go, 9 minutes for 3 go, 10 minutes for 4 goes. After cooking, turn off the heat and let it sit for 15 minutes with the lid on. Don't open the lid during this time to ensure the rice steams properly. After 15 minutes, your rice is ready. Gently fluff it with a rice paddle. You'll find it perfectly cooked. While rice cookers are convenient, cooking rice in a pot brings a slightly different texture and a sweeter taste. Pot-cooked rice often tastes sweeter, so give it a try and taste the difference. Cooked rice can be stored in a container and frozen. When you want to use it, simply reheat it in the microwave to enjoy it as if it were freshly cooked. Thank you for watching our tutorial on cooking rice in a pot. We hope you found this method simple and rewarding. Cooking rice this way might be a bit different from what you are used to, but it's definitely worth trying for its unique flavor and texture. Don't forget to check our description for more tips and variations. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Japanese cooking tutorials. Stay tuned for our next culinary adventure. Bye bye!